how to split screen on Android. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So there's any way that you can follow in order to use two apps in the same time. So let's say, for example, we'd like to use Notion with Google Translate. So here we open Notion. Okay, go out and open Google Translate and we'll leave the app. So the thing here, we're going to click on this button in the left side of the phone. And for example, we'd like to use Notion in the upper side of the screen. So we tap on it and click on Open in Split Screen View. In the second app here, we're going to click on Translate. That's how we can use both apps together at the same time. And to close the split mode, it's very easy. If we'd like to use only Google Translate, so we go to this bar and drag up until Notion goes out. So now we can use only Google Translate. And if that way doesn't work with you, you can download third-party app. You can use apps that are called split screen apps from Google Play to download them and use them for your phone in order to do this. And that's how you can split your screen using the phone native apps or third-party apps. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.